Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is 28.5 million miles from the Sun, and its furthest it is nearly 43 million miles from the Sun.
The diameter of Mercury is 3,032 miles at its equator, which is about 2/5 of the Earth's diameter. Mercury has no moons.
Mercury orbits the Sun every 88 days.
It looks like the Earth's moon because of its crater.
It is the 8th largest planet in the solar system.
A year in Mercury is equal to 87.9 Earth days.
If you weigh 100 pounds, you would weigh 83 pounds on Mercury. 38 pounds.
The temperature rises above 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while on the dark side it drops to negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Venus has 0 moons. Its surface temperature is 450 to 475 degrees Celsius. Venus is 67,237,910 miles from the Sun. Venus was discovered by Galileo in 1610. Venus means a goddess and worshipped of love. The diameter of Venus is 12,100.
It is the second planet closest to the Sun. Venus orbits in an elliptical orbit. The Soviet Union landed the first probe on Venus in 1970. Venus is the only female planet. Its thick atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide.
It takes 224 days to orbit the Sun. Its clouds are filled with sulfuric acid. Venus is the brightest planet viewed from Earth. It rotates east to west.
Earth was discovered by Astrel 350 before Christ. Earth means land. Earth's East crater is 12,756 kilometers, and to the North Pole to the south it is 12,714.
The distance from the Sun, if converted, is 93 million miles. The surface temperature is 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and Earth only has 1 degree.
Earth is the only planet with living things. Earth is the only planet with 3 types of waters: solid, gas, and liquid, and about 6 billion people live on Earth.
Tycho Brahe discovered Mars in 1576.
Mars is named after the Roman god Mars.
Mars is 142,000 miles away from the Sun.
The diameter of Mars is 6,792 kilometers.
The surface temperature of Mars is negative 63 degrees Celsius.
Mars has 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos.
Mars is nicknamed the Red Planet.
Many features on Mars are similar to those on Earth.
Mars is one of the 5 visible planets able to see by the unaided eye.
The iron oxide in the soil on its surface gives it the reddish look.
Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system.
Phobos orbits Mars 3 times a day.
Phobos is also the closest moon to orbit its planet at 6,000 kilometers away.
For discovering it because with the naked eye you can see it at night. But if anyone should deserve credit for finding it is the name after the king of Roman gods, Jupiter, also known as Jupiter.
The distance in miles Jupiter is from the Sun is 483.78 million miles, and the diameter of Jupiter is 142,984 kilometers.
surface temperature for Jupiter? Well, the upper edge is 145 degrees Celsius, and the planet's core can be as high as 35,500 degrees Celsius. How many moons does Jupiter have? Jupiter has 4 large main moons and at least 57 small moons. And as you can see, these are the 4 large main moons. Io,
Jupiter completes a full rotation in 10 years. It's 11.2 times the size of
Would you wanted to reach Jupiter? It radiates more energy into space than it receives from the sun. And the atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium. Continuous storms swirl the planet, which is this dot right here. So this storms, that's all.
Galileo discovered Saturn in 1610, and Saturn was named after Kronos. Kronos was a Greek god adopted by the Romans, but the Romans renamed him Saturn. Saturn is a god of agriculture and the father of Jupiter.
Saturn is 886.7 billion miles from the Sun. Samuel is 74,980 miles in diameter.
The surface temperature of Saturn is about negative 178 degrees Celsius. It has 54 moons.
Saturn's winds flow easterly and westerly at the same time.
You can see Saturn with a plain eye.
Titan, one of Saturn's largest moons, is bigger than the planet Mercury.
The diameter of Uranus is 31,763 miles, and it is 1.8 billion miles from the Sun. Uranus has 27 moons, and they're all named after the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. And Uranus is discovered by William Herschel in 1781.
Uranus has no solid surface to stand on. It's just a gas giant.
Uranus' surface temperature is negative 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus is from the Greek word for sky or heavens.
The mass of Uranus is 15 times more than the Earth. It takes a little more than 17 hours for Uranus to rotate, but it takes 84 years for it to revolve around the Sun. Uranus is tilted sideways for multiple collisions. It's the 7th planet from the Sun.
Welcome to Neptune.
Neptune is the 4th largest planet in the solar system. Neptune's radius is 24,764 kilometers.
Neptune's diameter is 49,493 kilometers.
Neptune has 13 moons.
The 4 main moons are Nod, Despina, Thalassa, and Galan. The discovery of Neptune was on September 23, 1846. It was discovered by Joanne Gallet, John Couch Adams, and Urbain Le
Neptune means god of the sea.
Neptune's distance from the Sun is 2.8 billion miles.
Oh, the temperature of Neptune is 218 degrees Celsius.
Voyager 2 was the only. Voyager 2, the only one who ever visited Neptune.
Neptune has a very strong winds, more than any other planet in the solar system.
The blue color of the planet is due to the absorption of the red light by methane in the atmosphere.
The orbital speed of Neptune is 15.4 kilometers per second.
One Neptune year is equal to 164.83 Earth years.
One Neptune day is equal to 16 hours in Earth time. See you later!